I usually start with a concept or a word. So like ruins is just immediately, you just put that in your head with that image. These words just seem to bring a moment of my life into my head that I then get down with numerous other words and chords. But basically I had a bit of a falling out with my partner, and he went for a long walk, and I kind of sat with my guitar in this hotel. And it's basically just about how sometimes when you're touring, you can forget how to kind of put you guys first, and I guess that's just in the same respect of life, and how sometimes everything can feel very perfect and then the next it's in ruins. I guess it's the product of being a melodramatic human / songwriter, who knows, but yeah, that's what it's about. How do we have to do this again? I tell you how I'm feeling, then you like a cryptomaniac will try and connect the dots and the facts. How do we have to be? It's these hotels I just can't relax. The more I bet, the worse that I snap. Feel like a goddamn maniac. Are you sure you wanna do this now? I mean it when I say that I don't understand, and I mean it when I say that I'm not sure who I am. 'Cause one minute I love you and the next it's all in ruins. One minute thinking of you and the next it's all in ruins. Tell me, what did I do to deserve somebody like you? It's too hard to tell the truth. Nothing's real and nothing's new. I'm just a product of my emotions, and they're all setting off again. If it's a mixture or a dosage, and I need just what you're having. Are you sure you wanna do this now? Oh, are you sure you wanna do this now? I mean it when I say that I don't understand, and I mean it when I say that I'm not sure who I am. 'Cause one minute I love you and the next it's all in ruins. A minute thinking of you and the next it's all in ruins. Again, here again, I can't let it out, and I can't let you